What about Sable? This can't be very easy for her.
Didn't you hear about the elephant gun? We talked, and you could say it didn't go well.
She brought this on all of us. But somehow, I don't know, I feel sorry for her. Maybe I should go and talk to her. May I come in?
Why not?
I just stopped by.
To what? Interfere some more?
Well, I didn't come here to argue.
There's nothing to argue about. Facts are facts. Do you know what this is? This is my wedding album. Mine. And you are in every photo. At Jason's side. You put down roots there and you never left.
Well, when you married Jason, you married into a family.
But you always resented.
No, that's not true.
Isn't it? Well, take a look for yourself. I think there hasn't been a day, a moment, when you haven't been waiting to destroy what I spent years building. Oh, congratulations. You finally got what you wanted.
I didn't have to do anything. You did it. Oh, you are a hungry woman, Sable. By reaching for it all, you wound up with nothing. Now, I'm sorry for you. I'm very sorry for you. But I'll be damned if I'll stand here and let you put the blame on me, Jason, and Jeff when you did it all by yourself.